1:04.58. And Timothy Thomas, 33 6 thou under. So now our finals are set. Thomas and May. We'll bring it back around in about 5-10 minutes. Final round to the lanes. Wes May and Timothy Thomas to the lanes. Final round to the lanes. Final round to the lanes, please. Wes May and Timothy Thomas to the lanes. All right, here we go. $50,000 final round pulling into the water box. Wes May left side and Timothy Thomas right side. Timothy Thomas is going to have to wait a little bit as Wes May dialed in on a 6.51. Thomas on a 4.57. Wes May was just 10 total last round. Let's see if he changed anything up or left it the same. Thomas chucks it in first. Wes May bumps in right behind him. Here we go. Wes May. Timothy Thomas is 008, take 19 to be 0004 under. Wes May 23, dead 4 for 27 total. And Wes May is your $50,000 winner on Wednesday. Congratulations to Timothy Thomas as well on a proud runner-up.
Not many race car shops can say they've been in business for 60 years, but we can. Here at S&W Race Cars, we specialize in welding and fabricating, designing and building door car, dragster, funny car, and alter chassis. We provide water jet cutting and other production services. We have several thousand roll bars and roll cages, custom tube bending, fabricated 9-inch forward housings, and rear frame kits. We run a full-service machine shop, and so much more we couldn't squeeze into a 30-second commercial. Give us a call at 1-800-523-3353 or visit our website.
For more than a decade, FTI has strived to become the leader in the aftermarket performance transmission and converter industry. We've joined forces with McLeod Driveline Components under the leadership of Top Fuel Funny Car pilot Paul Lee, and now have a larger distribution network, more resources, and more power. Come see us in the pits and ask how you can join the FTI family. It's not cheating, it is the competitive edge.
Nobody beats Jegs.com. Choose from millions of name brand parts and support from experts who know and love cars. 24/7 for life. There's only one place to go. JAGS.com.
We drive people. We drive bracket racing. Because reliability, accuracy, and consistency is what goes round and wins races. An all-in-one solution tailored to your application. Walk the pits and you'll begin to see fuel tech everywhere.
Wes wins Wednesday. Wes May, your $50,000 winner. How you feel, buddy?
It feels dang good. We definitely work hard on this stuff, and like to see these win lights. They don't come on enough, that's for sure.
Talk us through how you got to this point and how you were feeling in the final round.
Felt very good. I can say when I left, I was not feeling good because I knew it was 20-something. So best thing I can do is put it dead on, and luck was on my side for once. So.
10 total in the semifinals. Did you change anything going to the finals, or just leave it the same?
Nope. That's how we roll. We're going to get inside of it, they can do it.
Sounds good. So how family that you guys have won $50,000?
We're so proud of him. He's worked so hard for this.
Who would you like to thank, Wes?
Oh, there's a lot of people to thank. First and foremost, God. Without him, none of this can happen. My wife, my kids, my in-laws, I've got a ton of companies that help me out. FTI converters, transmissions, Tom Bueller, Stan Whitaker, Olean Shocks, Matt Cook, Nyes Racing Engines, Vic Ellinger for Wiseco, Wind Supply, my work. Without my dad, I wouldn't be here. There's a ton of stuff, that's for sure, that goes into this car, and without my family right here, it don't mean nothing. So.
Congratulations, Wes May, your $50,000 Wednesday winner.
Good job, Wes. I know you've been wanting to win one of these for a while now. I saw you yesterday in a close race. I think you was 5 total and lost. You came right back and was chugging along. Congratulations. I get to wear my hat.
Thank you, SFG.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Appreciate that, Troy. Yep, well, I thought I was doing this to where we didn't have to split up money, where we just raced for 50 grand, but you guys was back there. It's good that everybody get a piece of the pie, though. That's what SFG does. We spread it down to everybody.
Timothy Thomas, our $50,000 runner-up. Congratulations, buddy. So all the way down to the finals, it's still a really good payday for you. Unfortunately, run around short, but a final round appearance at an SFG race. These are some bad guys racing here, but still congratulations. How you feeling about it?
Well, we feel good, man. Cover the tab, cover the week, pays our way. I mean, it helps. Man, feel good.
Talk us through how you got here to the final and how you were feeling after what happened at 5 cars.
Well, we were doing good all the way up till then, and then, well, I call it playing broke, or the trans brake activator. There you go. Broke, which would be my thumb. Anyways, got my look round. Most every race you win, you get a look round or runner up. And got through that, come through, had to buy, got that stuff out my head, which I knew I'd be good by the finals, which I was. I mean, stuff happens. I'll leave it like that.
Congratulations again, man. Anybody would like to thank?
Yeah, I'd like to thank my dad first off. I mean, if it weren't for him, none of this would be possible. I mean, without him, the man above, and my wife, my mom, my sister, I mean, it's a family ordeal, it really is.
Happy anniversary, Georgia.
Days of anniversary. Happy anniversary. She allowed him to come with me this year. Last year, he had to stay home.
Yeah. I didn't come last year, but it turned out pretty good.
You got to see him in a final round all weekend long, so it's good you showed up this one. Since you're here, hey, I know the final round could be coming with the way he's been racing.
He's doing great. I mean, he's been working. He's had quite a few runner-up this year, and I believe he's had one winner this year, but he's coming along.
All I can say that it's coming for you, buddy. Kyle?
Tim said, and as Wes May said, thank God first. And I want to thank the Thomas family. They follow me around everywhere I go. I appreciate you guys coming from all the way from North Carolina, you know. There's quite a few guys that normally follow SFG that didn't make it this year. I mean, things come up, but you guys are always there, and I appreciate it.
Yes, sir, always.
Say hello to my dad at home. I know he's watching. So, Dad, this is part of our family, the Thomas family. They follow us everywhere we go. Good job, bud.
Yeah. Patsy Joy, Daddy loves you. I promise you. I'll call you when I get back to the trailer.
What time tomorrow?
We'll start up at 8 o'clock tomorrow. 8:30. 8:30 new entry time runs for day number 3, $50,000. We're going to crown a second of 3 $50,000 winners. There we go. SFG game 5. What's the racers? We'll see you tomorrow. Who's going to win our 50K on Thursday?
More than a decade, FTI has strived to become the leader in the aftermarket performance transmission and converter industry. We've joined forces with McLeod Driveline Components under the leadership of Top Fuel Funny Car pilot Paul Lee, and now have a larger distribution network, more resources, and more power. Come see us in the pits and ask how you can join the FTI family. It's not cheating, it is the competitive edge.
Dominate the strip or rule the street. S&W's USA-made competition and performance street components have been engineered, handcrafted, and proven to perform by racers for racers since 1959.
nobody beats Jegs.com. Choose from millions of name brand parts and support from experts who know and love cars. 24/7 for life. There's only one place to go. Jegs.com.
We drive people. We drive bracket racing. Because reliability, accuracy, and consistency is what goes round and wins races. An all-in-one solution tailored to your application. Walk the pits and you'll begin to see fuel tech everywhere.
You find fuel tech everywhere. Yay. Okay, congratulations to Wes May. He's pitted right over there, right there, right there. It's always fun when your neighbor wins. And, of course, you know, Wes May, we've known him a bit for a while. He don't, you know, not closely, but we work with him. And that's awesome. Okay, also, congratulations to Derek Denny for his victory in the Super competition. Let's see, Joe Young for his, he foot braked all the way up to the semifinals. I mean, wow. Anyway, congratulations last night to Donnie Burleson for his victory over Kenny Underwood. Yeah, now tomorrow is Jegs 50K. And so we're looking forward to that. We're supposed to be live at 8:30, so I better get some rest. Okay, say your goodbyes to each other. I'm going to go through the final videos, and we will see you tomorrow at about 8:30. Yeah.